8 डोर ऐड करते हो, अगर एक डोर को बनाने में अगर आपको 5 मिनट लग रहे हैं, अगर उसमें 6 डोर भी है तो आपको आधा घंटा लगेगा, राइट और रॉन्ग? सो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे ब्लॉक्स बना लेते हैं। कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो हमारा बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, हम उसको बनाना नहीं चाहते हैं, तो हम उसको एक बार बना करके फिर उसका हम क्या बना लेंगे, ब्लॉक। ब्लॉक बनाने से आपको ये फायदा होगा, आप कभी भी और कहीं भी उसको इंसर्ट करा सकते हो। एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे जैसे आप देख रहे हो कि आपका डोर का एग्जाम्पल है, सिविल में तो बहुत सारे हैं, मैकेनिकल में भी है। जैसे सिविल में अगर एग्जाम्पल है तो जैसे कि आपको उसमें डोर हो गए, ठीक है, अलग अलग साइज के आप डोर बना करके यूज कर सकते हो। जैसे कि बेडरूम है तो ये फिक्स है कि आपका उसमें 3 फीट का डोर लगेगा ही लगेगा, ठीक है। अगर आपका बाथरूम है तो आप उसमें यू विल असाइन अ 2 फीट 6 इंच डोर, right? Similarly, you have options for the furniture also. You can create a furniture like bed, sofa, table, chair, ठीक है, wardrobes, kitchen base cabinets, right? And your all the symbols related to electrical, mechanical, or plumbing. So which you are going to use in your plan, right? Defining everything, you can create a block. Now I'm going to create a uh, block of your door, right? So
Yes, sir.
first you select a line, give the specification, you just select the unit in the architecture 0 and inches, right? Select line. This is your 3 feet 4, green, and enter. Specify first point and 3 feet. Okay. So this is your line for 3 feet line, and click here. This is also a 3 feet. Now create give offset of 2 inch here, and draw a circle like this, and trim remaining part of your circle. And join here.
Can't we use arc, sir, here?
Because I think that the circle is easy than arc. Okay.
Enter starting and end. We can use
Yeah.
that.
Yes, you can use. Right. So this is your door of 3 feet, right? You
Yes.
can click on here. This is your create button, right? Or you can type B enter for block and press enter. So a block definition window will open. First you give the name. Named as this is your door. If you create several doors, you just specify the size. You can specify as 3, means 3 feet, right? This is the naming, and you have to specify the base point. You just click on the pick point from here and specify a base point. So this is your base point, and the coordinate of your base point will occur here, shown to you here, right? First of all, you give the name, and second is the base point, right? Third point is to click on the select object and select your object and press enter and click on OK. So this door is converted into block C, right? Now, if you want to insert it in your drawing, so you can go insert from here, and this is your door block, right? Click here and paste it here. You can insert as many times as you can. You don't need to copy each time and place it to everywhere. Whenever you want to insert a door, click here on the insert button and click here. Easy one. Easy one or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to, if you want to create a block of your bed, the bed length is 6 feet and width of your bed is 5 feet. So easy you can create your symbol of your bed. So this is your bed, and to use rectangle for the pillows, and use SP line to show the blanket like this. So see, it look like as bed or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now you can go to the create button and give the name as bed and select on pick point and select the object and select and enter and click on OK. So this is the procedure to make a block of any object. So now similarly you go to the insert. Here we have two blocks. First is door and second one is bed. You just click on the bed and paste anywhere.
Don't we have images of bed and doors in that one, sir?
Sorry?
Don't we have any images of that one, sir? Bed, doors, pillars like
So
that.
but if you insert a image, so that
Okay.
not work as an object.
Okay.
So that's why we have to create with our commands.
Okay. So if we want any edit means we can't do it.
Yes, if you want to edit in your block, you just double click on your block and click on OK. So the edit window will be occur here. So if you want to change the SP line here, because this is something wrong in it, right? Just click and delete it and go to the home and again choose your SP line and create the new one like this. See, and click on the close block editor, and this will changes occur in all the blocks. See, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the procedure how to create a block, right?
If I edit one bed means automatically both beds will get altered, sir.
Yes, all the blocks will be automatically updated,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
Okay. So if you want, you created these blocks in the drawing 2. Now you need to use these doors in the drawing 3, which is the new drawing, right? You don't able to use these blocks in your another drawing. Yes,
We should not use or we can't use, sir.
we can't use in the another new drawing.
Okay.
You can you create the blocks in the drawing too. So this is usable in the drawing too only.
Okay.
So by this property, these blocks are called as temporary blocks.
Okay.
What called temporary blocks?
Okay.
Because while creating these blocks, we don't assign any the file location.
Okay.
Can be assigned?
Don't know.
No, because I don't have any option to assign the location in the
Okay.
block definition, right?
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
this is your temporary blocks,
So
right?
in drawing 3, again we have to create that one, sir.
Yes, but we have another option, W block. We have another option, W block, right?
Okay.
By the W block, you can uh, you just click on WB in your command window and click on enter. So this is your right block window, right? So you want to permanent do permanent these blocks, right? So in the source, you have to choose the blocks which are already created in the by benter, right? So we have options bed or dot 3. So which block you want to create as a permanent block, bed or door? You choose any one, right? We don't have any option to specify the base point or a select object because we are already defined these 2 points in your previous block, right? That's why here these options are disabled. Yes, please answer here. You are getting my point or not? You are understandable or
No,
not?
confusing, sir.
Okay. First of all, I just created a block, right?
Okay.
So the drawback of our blocks is we can't use in the another drawings
Okay.
which are usable in the single drawing.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have another options, the right block.
Okay.
That option is only block, and this option is right block.
Right.
By the right block, we have to create a permanent blocks by
Okay.
which we can use in any drawing.
Okay, sir.
If you create your blocks with the help of right block, you can use in any drawing
So
because
in blocks we use only temporary. In red box we can make it permanent.
yes,
Okay, sir.
we have a file name and path location where you want to save your block,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the source. Source it means you choose a block. Means you have created some temporary blocks, right? So the
Yes, sir.
temporary blocks you want to change into the permanent blocks. So you have option choose block, and here we have the options all the temporary blocks, right? Choose the bed, and your bed is going to save in the document. We have saved in the bed and click on the OK. Now click on the drawing 3, right? And click on insert button. Here we have some drawing options here, right? And see, this is your bed. You just click on here, double click, and use it here like this. right?
If we save it means it will save in the software, not in the PC.
No, this is will saved in your hard disk in
Okay.
the document folder, right? You can
Okay, sir.
browse. You
Yes,
can
system.
browse it from here. You just click here, and this is your bed. You click on OK, and just double click and paste it anywhere. You can insert it in any. Now this is your drawing 4. You can use it in the drawing 4 also, like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to? This is the conversion of temporary to permanent.
Okay.
But I want to create directly in the permanent block. So you can create a sofa like this. So it look like the sofa or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just type WB and enter. So we have choose here option as the object, right? And click on the base point and specify the base point here, right? And click on the select object.
But in bed you selected block also.
So in the block we don't have select the base point and the pick point. We have to choose option from this window, the temporary block options.
Oh, okay, 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 sir.
So in the blocks you have to convert temporary block into the permanent block.
Okay,
But by this object option you can create a new directly in the permanent.
okay, sir.
So here you specify the name as sofa, right? And the file location is users del document.
Okay.
Click on OK. So you have inserted from the recent logs. See, and browse it as sofa. This is your sofa. Click on OK. The sofa file is found in the current location. तो बोल रहा है कि अभी यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी इंसर्टेड है ये रहा, and you can use it, right? If you use in the drawing 3, you just click on insert and click on sofa. This is your sofa, right?
How to edit it, sir? How can we make it smaller?
By
Smaller
scale
or
command.
bigger?
By scale command.
Okay.
You can use scale command.
Okay.
Select object, press enter, specify the base point, and type as 0.25. It means the dimensions become 1/4 times.
Okay.
This is your sofa. You can resize your object with the help of scale command.
Okay, sir. It is
So
a resize, sir. What about this one, sir? Edit like that
here,
handrail. You have to get a big one or a smaller in that one, sir. Edit one.
so you can use the scale command for your resize your objects.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So by this option you can create and modify your blocks, right?
Yes, sir.
So but in Autodesk we have some certain blocks which are Autodesk already given to you. The first option is design center. First option is design center. The shortcut key of design center is Control plus 3. Sorry, Control plus 2. Control plus 2. right?
Yes, sir.
From here we have you can see we have some options of basic electronics, analog and integrated circuits, AutoCAD styles, CMOS, electrical power. These are related to electrical and electronics,
Yes, sir.
these blocks, and these blocks are containing mechanical equipments, fasteners. Just click on here, click on blocks. See, this is the fasteners. You can use, you just click on any object, double click and OK, or you can use anywhere, right?
Show me once again, sir, this process.
Yes, sir.
You just click, type Ctrl+2, and this design center window will open to you, right? Yes.
Okay, sir.
So the location of this folders is in the C programming, program files, Autodesk, AutoCAD 2020, samples, ENUS, and design center, right? Similarly, you have the house space designer. So in this we have the bed, chair, rocking, computer table, copy machines, all the, right? If you want to click on sofa, you just click on sofa and OK. So here the sofa will insert to you. So this is your sofa.
We can't select design center, sir?
Sorry?
We can't select design center directly.
No, you can click on the Ctrl+2
Okay.
and you have options inside here, I think. In output, no manage. Yes, you have good palettes options, but design center is, yes, here it is your symbol, design center.
Okay, sir.
In the
Open it.
view
Open it.
command,
Okay.
in the view command, and this is your symbol for your design center. See,
Okay, sir.
right? So you can have a house designing also. Just click. This is your bathtub, chimney, door. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You can use from here also. This is your toilet top and use like it, right? And this is your
Okay,
HVAC part, and this is your hydraulic part, and again this is your kitchen. This
sir,
is your
when every object is here only, why should we create another one, sir?
because if you don't find any object here, so you have to create your as your own, right?
Okay, sir.
Why we dependent on these objects?
Okay.
That's
Sir, these
why,
all objects are not here.
yes.
So what can I do?
So you can create, as I told earlier.
Sir, but all options are not here.
That's why I told you that how to create your own objects.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Akash?
सर तो मतलब ये सभी आपने ही क्रिएट किए हैं?
नहीं नहीं, ये ऑटोडेस्क ने दिए हैं आपको, ये हर एक ऑटोकैड में आपको मिलेंगे।
और सर इस वर्जन में नहीं है?
नहीं, उसमें भी होंगे आपके। आप जाना,
फाइंड करने का आना।
हाँ मैं बता तो रहा हूँ, आप उसमें जाना, Ctrl+2 दबाना, कंट्रोल दबा करके 2 दबाना, और फिर आप उसमें लोकेशन में आपको बताता हूँ। सबसे पहले आप जाएंगे अपने माई कंप्यूटर में, ठीक है? माई कंप्यूटर में जाने के बाद में आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगी सी, जिसमें आपकी विंडो इंस्टॉल होती है सी ड्राइव, उसको आप खोलेंगे
यस सर।
तो आपको इसमें मिलेगा प्रोग्राम फाइल्स। तो प्रोग्राम फाइल्स में आप जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा ऑटोडेस्क। ऑटोडेस्क में आप जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा, जैसे कि मैंने 2020 डाल रखा है तो 2020, और अगर आपने 16 या 18 या एनी अदर जो भी डाल रखा है तो वो आपको यहाँ मिलेगा।
ओके सर।
आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे, फिर आपको यहाँ मिलेंगे क्या, सैंपल्स। सैंपल्स फोल्डर मिलेगा, और फिर आपको मिलेगा ENUS, और इसके अंदर आपको मिल जाएगा डिजाइन सेंटर। ठीक है,
यस सर, मिल गया।
तो आप इस तरह से इसमें जा सकते हैं।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, मिल गया।
ओके, वेलकम।